Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Angga Perdana from the Department of Architecture, Win Maulana Maulik Ibrahim Malang. Thanks for the opportunity to join the International Symposium and Workshop on Sustainable Building, Cities and Communities, SBCC 2024. Let me allow to present my presentation about the BIM-based simulation on sustainable housing design using Autodesk Revit. In this first session, let me explain the background of my research, where currently the housing development is very rapidly. This is influenced by the quite high population growth in Indonesia especially. The housing needs are a primary factor in the life. In the campus development of the case study, housing needs for the lecturers are, of course, also very much needed. As the outline in the Trisakti Nagrak Bogor Campus Master Plan in West Java, housing is the one of the main contributors to energy use in the world. This certainly contributes to the climate and crisis energy. Therefore, the residential planning is needed that is able to sustain the crisis which is getting worse over the time, to reduce the impact of the climate crisis and also the energy crisis. A sustainable housing design was needed. The concept of sustainable housing strongly influenced by the several factors as stated in the several previous research before. The basic criteria for the sustainable housing can be grouped into 5 main strategies, including the efficiency of energy and low emission energy. And the next is the wise use of the water by do the reuse and recycle of the water. And also we must use the natural dielectric and natural cross ventilation, and also the sustainable material and low maintenance design for the housing. This concept will be influence the sustainability design of the housing. This criteria of green and sustainable housing will be optimized by the application of the BIM or building information modeling for the design process. In this research, we will be optimize the design by using the simulation of the building study case, the Trisakti University lecturers housing design, by using the Revit for more accuracy. Next, the methods in this study. The methodology we use in this research is a combined strategy or mixed method. According to Groth and Wang 2013, the design decision of the research will be use the combined strategies. In the field of architecture, generally use the case study, because the case study is the core of the architectural research methodology. We combine with the simulation using the BIM-based software, namely Autodesk Revit. Why we use the Autodesk Revit? Because the analysis and evaluation performance of the building will be included in this software. The steps taken are following in this diagram. The first is the literature review on the sustainable housing criteria. The next is the building modeling using BIM, Autodesk Revit. And the next is analyze the building performance on the natural lighting, cross ventilation, water conservation, energy efficiency, material, and building form. Also, after we analyze in this section, in this step, will be elaborate the result of the simulation and the sustainable housing criteria before. By elaborate this criteria, we will have the best optimization design for the sustainable housing concept. Next, the research and discussion. Before we discuss about the research, we must know about the case study, because the core of the methodology in this research is the case study. The case study is the one of the facility of the master plan design that was released in the master plan design of the Trisakti University Campus Nagrak Bogor, West Java. The particular focus on this housing of the lecturers, because the housing lecturer housing is the mandatory in this master plan. The housing concept has 2-story floors, dwelling that can accommodate several rooms, like the bedrooms, living room, a garage, kitchen, toilet, and also a family room. The housing complex block has the placing the couple house, because the design use the couple house design. It is the symmetrical housing with the right and the left house is the symmetry. And also we apply the modern and tropical design style in this design. And also in this design, we involve the several criteria of the sustainable building based on the previous research, such as shading device, solar chimney, and also we use the concept of the rainwater harvesting, tropical climate housing, and also the using of the natural and natural dielecting and natural cross ventilation. This is the design. You can see in this picture, the design used the square ball roof in the rooftop of the building, and this is the solar chimney. The roof design we will be applying for the photovoltaic. So the photovoltaic will be support the electrical power energies for the building. When the building design has been the simulation, this is design will be simulated by Autodesk Revit. Furthermore, we can conduct solar analysis to the model substantial amount the renewable energy the photovoltaic installation of the building may generate. Because in this feature is on the Autodesk Revit feature, we can use these tools is simultaneously. And also we will be simulation the dielectric factor, lighting penetrating through the building, and also the wall window ratio, the use of the anti-radiation glass, and several alternative of the design by using the Autodesk Insight. This is the concept of the solar chimney that maximize the cross ventilation in the building, and this is the solar chimney figure. This is point from the top of the building until the bottom side of the building. This is the result of the simulation. The first simulation, we simulate the solar analysis in the Autodesk Revit 2023. By this simulation, we got some result. The first is the utilizing this square wall roof can enhance the efficiency of rainwater collecting. This form of the roof can catch more volume of the rainwater. And also this shape can be applied by the photovoltaic. So in every time we can catch the sun ray from the different direction. And also by this simulation, we got the maximum power that generated from the photovoltaic is 29,181 kilowatt hour per year. It is saving the energy by the 49 million rupiah on payback period of 20 years. And also this is the natural dielecting simulation from the Autodesk Revit. We got the average of the dielectric factor is 6.6%. This is past the minimum requirement for the dielectric factor on the housing. That's only 5% for the minimum dielectric factor. And the building roof can catch until the 20,000 liters rainwater per year by the precipitation level in this location. Okay, the conclusion is the roof design is the building code of the Trisakti Nagara Campus Master Plan Planning. We have the practical symbolic building. We use the square ball roof, enhance the efficiency of rainwater collection, and also the maximizing the photovoltaic of the sun ray radiation through the roof configuration. And also we can find this model can possible to generate maximum 29,181 kilowatt hour per year. It is saving the 49 million rupiah on payback period 20 years. This is designed and also can be harvest 20,000 liters of rainwater per year. And also the utilizing of several criteria can be applied in the another design of the housing. First, the solar chimney, and also the solar chimney is maximize the cross ventilation and also the natural dielecting. This further include the waste and water wastewater management and also rainwater management system. It will be can reduce the use of the raw water in. So this is can be more saving for the raw water in this location. By implementing the biopores and an integrated composter may significantly enhance the penetration of the rainwater precipitation in this site, not only for the from the roof, but in the site didn't cover by the building, it will be catch the rainwater through the lane in the area. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thanks for the opportunity in SBCC 20 and 24. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.